UMLA ka Mawphlang ba MB kurba hakasni ba ulabo Jingkylli halor ka jingyat ka kam ka bayadei ba ka jingshna ya ka Science and Commerce College Mawphlang. Haba jubab halor kani Menteri ka tanat puli puthi ka jila rakam isangma ula pentip ba ka jingpentrai kalayat menta syakah nyobho %. Uang ruba kibu ka thong ban pendap no hau jeliu hajar pusau.
Sri Matthew B. Kurba, Minister in charge, Education, please.
Speaker, sir. Reply to question number 32. Sir A, sir, the status of the work for construction is 72%. B, sir, 30 June 2017. C, sir, 36.55 crores. D, sir, rupees 14 crore 815 crore. 14.815 crores. Sir. E, sir, June 2021, and the total amount paid is 14 crore 815 crores. F, sir, June 2024. G, sir, the class will commence after the completion of the buildings and recruitment of the faculty and the staff. S, sir, no, sir.
Honourable member, please. Parliamentary questions.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Minister in charge of Education for this elaborate reply on my question. So I would like to know from the Minister in charge why there's so much delay on this. Is it because of revised cost estimate and the department could not reply to the question raised by the Central Ministry? Number two, sir. Is it possible to complete this project in June 2024? As of now, there is no sign of works in the place, the site of Mawphlang College. And also, you will need to provide power supply and water supply as well. To get power supply from ECL will take a lot of time, not less than 6 months. So it will not be possible for the government to complete this work by June 2024. So I would request the Honourable Minister through you, sir, to speed up this work and to get the necessary allocation of funds from the Central Ministry so that the concerned contractors can continue with the works and this college also can start functioning, maybe, if not latest by next year academic session. With this few words, sir, I would like to request the Minister to clarify on my questions.
Speaker, sir, it added, has put 2-3 questions at one time, so I have to do the same, sir. Sir, the delays was for various issues and various reasons. So the earlier target was supposed to be 2020. However, sir, delay happened due to delay in handing over of the land. That was one of the issues that happened. And also, and the delay was also happened due to the delay in releasing the second installment by the ministry. And also, sir, third issue of the delay was because of COVID-19 issue. And so, as he added 2-3 questions together, I'm to do the same. So I think I'm sure, because only yesterday we have the second installment we have released to the implementing agency. So we're expecting to complete certain buildings, certain works as we set the deadlines.
Sir, regarding the handing over of land, I talked with the local, with the Lingdo of Mawphlang. Till date, there has not been any official handing over of land to the department. There has not been no communication between the department and the Hima Mawphlang. And also one more, sir, with the road, approach road to the college, it is a very bad condition. I would also request the department concerned to take up the matter with the PWD so that the approach road, Mawphlang and from Mawap be repaired so that the student going to college also will not face any hardship.
Speaker, sir. So the finalization or demarcation of land was the issue at that time, but however this has been sorted out, and so whatever the points has been raised by the members, so will be pointed out, and we will do the government will do the needful.
Thank you, sir, for your replies.
Sir.